Yeah. Where's the f***ing...
Doing some of it.
Damn, what's gonna happen? Tastes like shit.
Now I'm filming, yeah.
So we're on the train. This air conditioning in this carriage has stopped working, and so they've kicked everyone out. We just went and sat in a different carriage and got kicked out of that seat because another man had reserved that seat. So what we've done is we've just come back and sat in the carriage past the police line. So we'll just see what happens when she comes over, I guess. Nothing will happen, don't worry.
No.
No? We don't.
There are no other seats. There are
No.
I know it's not your fault.
I'm concerned for your safety.
No.
Do it.
We'll do it. We'll move.
We'll do it. We're going. It's all good. You wanna sit back down? So we're about 10 minutes away from Amsterdam, and we came back in the carriage and the aircon is slightly working.
It's only working for 6 humans.
Yeah, if there's too many humans it'll become a sauna. These chairs are so much better. This, yeah, my precious. Anyway, we got 10 minutes and then we'll be in. Hello! The train wasn't really a great time, but we're past that now. We got to ride in a Tesla I got to ride in a Tesla on the way here, and it was the most exciting thing. The taxi driver has a Tesla. There's no stick. There's no engine. What do you guys think?
Losing my Tesla virginity.
Just like, go Elon.
Thinking that there's definitely an engine, but, you know.
No, there's no petrol combustion engine. That's what I meant.
Okay. Yeah.
Very excited. That's nice.
You're really gonna pay out the editor of the video? Not the smartest move, bud. You got me, mate. You got me.
That silence.
Got him! That was sick. So we're gonna go explore Amsterdam now. The rest of the crew is downstairs, so I will see you there.
I love it. Give him a little nibble on the way through.
Don't you just pull the bone up?
No, you flip
You're
it.
nailing it, bud.
I think he said that was perfect.
Yeah.
So we're just about to go head on a boat. Should be exciting. We'll see you there, eh?
Do it!
How cool is the bark chip?
So good.
Give what?
Where's the bag? He hit the bag. It's so typical.
You just walked out without it. What do you mean?
He stole it.
Oh, prank!
Pranked, bro!
What a good prank! Oh my god! Almost not going to bring my tissues. Lucky I brought my tissues.
Wait, bud. You're the Dad jokes.
Dad jokes.
We're walking to get ice cream. We've had a great first day in Berlin. We're in Amsterdam. We've had a great first day in Amsterdam, and we'll see you next time.